Alright, Saturday, September the 24th, and you know it's dark when the camera says check your lens covers open. Anyway, it is 6:45 a.m. and it apparently rained overnight here. You can see the puddles in the darkness. So we're just checking on the truck and trailer. I'm going to grab some cleaning products because today is car show day, and we did get the car a little dirty yesterday, which is good. But we'll have to get all that dirt off for the show. So we'll pick up some product and wait for it to clear up a little bit before we attempt to wash the car this morning. Car show's at 9. Alright, the car did get a little wet overnight. I could have pulled it into the trailer, used it as a garage, but it's going to get wet sometime, so might as well get it out of the way. And we'll wipe her down. I won't have to actually take it over to the hose. And we'll wipe her down. Hopefully it'll stop raining for the rest of the day and we won't have to do it again. Alright, I switched from the GoPro back to the camera because I can't really do any commentary on the GoPro. The microphone's not so good. And I know it's a little windy out here, so you might get some wind noise. But some absolutely beautiful cars. So we got another TR250 that showed up. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Looks like 9 250s. It's pretty darn good. And I really like the fact that we've got the 3 royal blue ones in a row, which is probably you don't see that very often. So this is a beautiful one with the royal blue with a shadow blue interior. Really well done. With the backlight, Surrey top, striped hoses. It's beautiful. Perfect temperature out today for a car show, not too hot. Everybody out enjoying the day. Getting pretty close to be have your votes submitted. I've submitted mine. Got one lonely GT6 over here. And they've included GT6 in the 6-pack club for the first time, so good to see the GT6 is out. Hopefully we'll get more in the future. Even got a Sunbeam out. Not in the show. And lots of beautiful cars on display. Every one of them driven. Alright.
Can you actually see your lights at night now? Yeah.
Every color under the sun, pretty much. Some one-year only colors, Tahiti blue being one of them. That Inca yellow back here, when we passed already, that was a one-year only color. You got a mallard blue car. It's one of my favorite TR6 colors. The Alcan 5000 rally car.
Hey Tush, what's up?
How you doing, guys?
Good.
This is a pretty rare car.
Yeah, we talked about that.
Supercharger on this one. So we'll go supercharger, then we'll go triple Webers. Not to be outdone, right, Jeff? Okay.
Yeah, it's about what, 3/8 of an inch or a half an inch space.
On the GM, there's a little nub on the casting that you have to
Grind off.
flip off. Yeah, no, actually, I carry a spare.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. First one
I love the paint on this one. It's got a nice metallic to it. It's a 70. I always like the stripe package as well on these. Beautiful car.
I'm gonna buy that other half. Instead of, oh, you want it? Just pay you, Lucas. I'll just go get it.
You'll see the magenta cars very often. This one's from California. That's an awfully long drive. They've been on the road for a few weeks, arrived a few days early. Did quite a few of the distillery tours. And one of my favorite color combinations, me being a white TR6 or TR aficionado in general, I always love the white cars with the red interiors. It's just a striking combination. So, a good example here. Red lines complementing. Nice looking car. I love the red TR6 badge. I love the bumper overriders. Got them on my 73. It's a beautiful car as well. I think that's sapphire blue, if I'm not mistaken. Again, an early car. Very nice. It's a 72. It's a 76. I believe that's Tahiti blue. Another Mallard car. Always an opportunity to do a little tuning. Starting to appreciate the brown cars more. There's a Sierra Russet and a Sienna brown, and a lot of people repaint those, but they're kind of back into fashion, so I can appreciate seeing a brown car, brown TR6.
Talk to you later.
That's a sharp looking car. And this one's got the Suffolk seats in it. Nice and comfy. Beautiful interior. Nice thick grip wood wheel. You can always appreciate the matching plug wires.
From the catalog.
Some of the earlier 6s, these are 69s. So they're rarer of the TR6 breed, or the rarest of the TR6 breed. This one's an original paint car. In the other British section.
Hey, Tush.
How you doing? Some beautiful TR4A, sorry. A Miata seat conversion. Custom logoed. Looks pretty sharp. Beautiful dash in this car. Very nice. Royal blue. Looks pretty similar to my car with the same rims. Some beauty. Some stags. If you're into stags, we've got 3 of them here. With the Triumph 8s in them. Another TR4A over here, ivory color, maybe jasmine. Yeah, I think it might be jasmine. Beautiful. And that's jasmine there, I believe. That's a little bit lighter. Maybe primrose? Let's say primrose.
But back then when I did research,
All right, there's a tour around the show.
I was like, oh wait, it's here, it's coming up. Like I got 20